Welcome. By the end of this video, you will know what Redis is, how it works under the hood, and exactly what to look for when you review code that uses it. Redis is an in-memory key-value store, which means your data lives in RAM rather than on disk. That makes it blindingly fast, but it is also far more than a simple cache. It ships with rich data structures, pub, sub, and streams built right in. Redis runs on a single thread inside an event loop. Each command is dequeued and executed atomically in RAM before the next one starts. There are no locks, no context switches between commands. That is the secret behind its enormous throughput. Let us run a quick tour in Redis CLI. We store a string, increment a counter atomically with incr, push items onto a list, and then check TTL. Notice that TTL returns -1. There is no expiry on that key yet. When reviewing a PR that uses Redis, check 4 things. Every key that should expire has a TTL. Counter updates use atomic commands like incr. Iteration uses a scan not keys. And the data type actually fits the access pattern. Redis is fast because it lives in memory and runs on a single event loop. Pick the right data type, set your TTLs, and keep keys out of production. Those 3 habits will save you from the most common Redis bugs.